Making another viral TikTok video? Whoopsie, hope you don't need to retake this shot. Who knew this would be the beginning of a love story? And the 5-minute crafts plaster hand making kit plays a big part in it. Nothing more beautiful than young love. With the help of the kit, you can make a souvenir to remember this moment forever. It includes every material you'll need. And the instructions make things so simple that you can just focus on having fun. Time really flies when you're having a good time, doesn't it? There's only one thing left to do. Your masterpiece is almost ready. This will be one of the most satisfying parts. You can either leave the end product as it is or dye it with your favorite color. Grab your own kit from your local Walmart store or order it online.
watch it, bitch, check it out. I know the sun is always shining after darkness. Hope your problems go away. Oh yeah, yeah. It's okay to be stuck in your ways. I like it, temperatures to water, say new day. Tonight I might pop some ooh. Tonight I might act a fool. Hit me on my telly, I'll be on my way, ooh. Tonight I might lose my cool. Tonight I might end up in the news. I'm about to turn a 1 to a 2. I'ma get the back making moves.
Nanda, feel alive, I wanna vibe too. On a Monday, turn up harder like them fighters do. We can learn how to fly. Pop that champagne all night. Yesterday's on me, gotta go on, gotta go wherever. My adrenaline came by the ride. I don't even give a if I'm gonna die. That's why
tonight I might pop some ooh. Tonight I might act a fool. Give me on my telly, I'll be on my way, ooh. Tonight I might lose my cool. Tonight I might end up in the news. I'm about to turn a 1 to a 2. I'ma get the back making moves.
that's my shawty.
Hope you hit me up when you down in the morning. Hit me with the text, really up, call me up when you lonely. I be on the grind, you know, get it. I can put you on in the streets and the views and the whole thing. Pictures in your time, it's the vibe, on the star on the Broadway.
I know the sun is always shining after darkness. Hope your problems go